Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen in Rocket League. So in this video I will show a couple of solutions, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, locate your Epic Games Launcher and shortcut and right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, make sure to run this program compatibility mode for Windows 7 and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Make sure to do that and then go to your disk where you basically install Rocket League. For me is disk C, program files, Epic Games, Rocket League, then go to binaries, Win64, and then do the same on here. Compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Right, and once you do that, then go back here on Rocket League and then go to TA game, and if there is a cache folder here, please delete that. Right, nothing wrong, it will not affect your game. And then press Windows and R key, go to percentage sign local app data percentage sign, and on locate Epic Games Launcher here, and then also go to saved and delete web cache folder here as well. Right, and after you do that, then the next thing that you can do here, open up your task manager, go to details, locate your Rocket League game. Of course, you need to run first your Rocket League game, and then let's say, for example, Razer Exxon is Rocket League. Then right click on it, go to set priority, and make sure to set priority to high. And then the last thing that you can do here, you need to check if your firewall is not blocking your game. So you need to go to firewall and network protection here and allow an aperture firewall and look if there is a Rocket League on this list here. And if there is not the game, as you can see here I have, but if you do not have here, you need to add it here. So go to change settings and then go allow another app, press browse, and then you need to go to your disk where you saved the Rocket League. For me it's on disk C, program files, and then you should find here Epic Games, then Rocket League, then go to binaries, Win64 and Rocket League, and just add here and press add. So you can see here I cannot do that because I already have it on my list, but if you don't, press add, press OK, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.